Hey, did you ever question the goodness of the food you consume? And wouldn't you prefer freshly plucked veggies just like your favorite master chefs? Think about it. From fresh tomatoes, crispy lettuce, spinach and kale. Every single day you open your refrigerator looking for your fresh stock of frozen ingredients. I'm sure your husband loves it as well. Who are you kidding? Now I know what you're gonna say. Who's the time to grow veggies in between work, kids, daily chores, socializing? Why didn't you just send me to a farm? No! Chill, we'll send the farm to you. Now I know you're wondering how we fit a farm inside this box. That's us, Altifarm. A compact modular home farm that empowers you to enjoy fresh produce without any hassle. Assemble it like a Lego set. Step by step, and your farm is ready. Don't worry about watering. Just fill it once a week and the self-watering system will take care of the rest. Not enough sun? The Grow Light Pack gives you the option of keeping it indoors. Tight space? The Mobility Pack lets you move Altifarm around anywhere. Oh, and there's also a greenhouse pack for the winter. All the tiers are height adjustable and flexible to grow a variety of plants. If herbs and veggies are not your thing, you can grow some beautiful garden plants too. They look great on Altifarm.
The design, it took around 3.5 years now.
There are many architects who've designed green spaces into buildings, and this is something that it doesn't have to be designed into. It can be brought in and added to that unused space in almost any setting.
You know the story behind what you consume. So Altifarm lets you do that.
Altifarm not only makes your home look good, but it will also make you look healthy, stylish, eco-chic, smart, and most importantly, a great chef. So next step, food blogger. Yeah, maybe that's too far. But hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? So start by supporting us on Indiegogo. It'll help us bring Altifarm to the market, and you eat healthier, fresher, and better. Altifarm!
My name's James Zambergy, and I'm here to tell you to stop using toilet paper. At Bidet, we're bringing about a new standard for bathroom hygiene. It's about being clean, convenient, and saving money. Indiegogo has allowed us to hear our customers and our fans more clearly than ever before. And we're able to take that feedback and present something that we're really proud of.
The Slim Glow is the most advanced bidet attachment. It's got those most wanted features and it's just as easy to use and install.
It's ultra thin, reinforced, and has a dual nozzle. And as a customer favorite and industry first, a battery powered nightlight.
As an attachment, you don't have to worry about what type of toilet you have, where your outlets are, or calling a plumber. It fits right between your toilet base and your toilet seat, and it ties right into your existing plumbing.
It comes with everything you need to complete installation and is up and running in about 15 minutes. The Slim Glow fits on the overwhelming majority of toilets out there, and it's designed to complement both your bathroom and your body. The control panel is positioned for easy access and has LED indicators that react to your spray settings. You can choose between our 2 spray styles and adjust the water pressure as you see fit. And with the push of a button, you can turn on the ambient glow ring.
We've been leading the industry for over 10 years, and bidets are really catching on.
We really wanted to give our Indiegogo fans an opportunity to continue driving this new standard and the chance at a great deal. It's tough to tell someone your bathroom routine could be better, but once you try it, you can't go back.
Look at look at me. Happy as we can
Alexa, open Hi Mirror. How to get rid of my dark circle.
Hi Mirror, select the 3 popular articles related to your question.
On the count of 3, yeah, take a selfie.